Are you struggling keywords for your website? In this video, I will show you step by step how to do keyword research using Google Keyword Planner and how to choose the best keyword. First, go to your Google Ads, then click the Tools and Settings icon on the top right, and under Planning select Keyword Planner. You'll now see two options: discover new keywords and get search volume and forecasts. Type real estate digital marketing agency, digital marketing for real estate. Choose discover new keywords. For example, if you run a real estate digital marketing agency, next enter a few keywords related to your business. This option helps you find keyword ideas based on a topic or website. Now you'll see a full list of keyword ideas with metrics, then set your target location and language and click Get results like average monthly searches, competition level, and top of page bid. These numbers show how popular and competitive each keyword is. When choosing keywords, look for a mix of relevance. Only pick keywords that describe your exact service. Search volume. Medium to high search volume means people are searching often. Competition, go for low or medium if your budget is small. CPC, a higher cost per click often means high buyer intent. Great for ads, only pick keywords that describe your exact service. Once you've selected your keywords, check the box beside each one and click Add to Plan. You can also click the download icon to export them as a CSV file or Google Sheet for your ad campaigns and SEO brand. And that's it. You will have just learned how to do keyword research and pick the best keywords inside Google Keyword Planner. If you found this helpful, like and share the video, subscribe and comment your next topic, what you want to learn. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.